Here we are, Bonus Knot Car Park, Ennerdale, just ready for a cycle up to Black Sail Youth Hostel with Richard over here.
Morning.
Hey Brodie.
Hi Brodie.
It's the first sunny day we've had for a while, so here we go. First section, not a bad track along the side of the lake. Okay, we're at the stage now. We just left the lake behind, just heading further up into the valley. Here we go. Great view of Pillar Rock now, still climbing up. Welcome bit of level ground and a little bit down now. Change up into a bigger gear. Try and keep up with Brodie, Bailey.
Here she comes in a suit and tie, shepherd's bush and a leopard's pie. She's marching to the funky beat of James Brown and his dancing feet. I'm gonna set your fish on fire, a pistol whipping of desire. So please do not resist your fate. I'll pick you up, yes, it's a day. How could I forget to mention the bicycle is a good invention? Sitting there in a silent movie beside the only girl who really ever knew me. Happy days but sad facing, heaven knows I'm on the case. So how could I forget to mention the bicycle? Somebody told the world the beauty of your birth. My girl, I heard it first, the beauty of your verse. A sticky finger and a wicked taste, got a lot of nerve and a lyrical case. Be sure to write it in your book, I promise not to look I wanna smell your sunny face. Funny place, but it's never a waste. I'd hop this fence to make amends. I hope this movie never ends. How could I forget to mention the bicycle is a good invention? Make it up, make it...
Yeah, I put it in.
Okay, halfway down, or nearly a third of the way down from up there. Sun's disappeared, it's just a bit chilly now, beginning to get cold. Brodie still hasn't got tired, and he still wants to play with a stick. It's completely, the dog is mad.
Smell your sunny face. Funny place, but it's never a waste. I'd hop this fence to make amends. I hope this movie never ends. How could I forget to mention the bicycle is a good invention? Make it up, making you my business. A funny buttercup, gotta live a forgiveness. Happy days, both side of facing. Heaven knows I'm on the case. So how could I forget to mention the bicycle? Somebody told the world the beauty of your...
Final stretch now, one last hill to the car park.